1972, the design solidified the swoosh's position in the world of performance running. It became a fashion icon among some audiences, but over time, more contemporary alternatives have eclipsed it. Prior to summer, the classic model has surfaced in a kids-only ensemble that is evocative of a recent Air Force One low Just Do It release. With its well-known silhouette, the pair mostly sports a crisp white aesthetic, but profile swooshes add a plaid design element. The distinctive emblem is animated by hits of green, yellow, and blue. These hues also divide up the Achilles heel and the foam wedge at the heel. Near the tip of the tongue, a velcro strap emerges, and a kangaroo mascot wearing a tie lands on top of the laces. The Cortez is given a fun twist by the patch's representation of wearing Nikes. Enjoy the official look of the kids' trainers that feature plaid. Pairs ought to be available on Nike.com shortly.